Swamiji, as you said, you are like Bhakta the way Bhakta perceives. Can you make me a good Bhakta and make me surrender?
So that is also a prayer. I give you tathastu.
Thank you, Swamiji.
I give you tathastu.
Thank you, Swamiji. Then all these
That's
patterns will all wipe
that's the
out.
best thing you can ask.
Yes, Swamiji. Thank you.
Kitchen side. Swamiji, other day you were mentioning about the Gotras, and you said that every Gotra have certain qualities
Yes,
to born with.
Certain branch of knowledge in their DNA.
Yeah. So what are the knowledge for Kashyapa Gotra people born?
Kashyapa Gotra is the whole technology of reproduction, like a pregnancy, how to train a biomemory of the body. See, from Kashyapa, both Devas and Asuras both get programmed.
Oh, reprogramming. Okay, reprogramming.
The whole reprogramming of the muscle memory, that knowledge is from Kashyapa.
Okay, understand. Another thing, Swamiji.
There's a Kashyapa Samhita. Read that.
Yeah, I'm born in the Kashyapa Gotra.
That's what.
Okay.
Read Kashyapa Samhita.
Okay, Swamiji. And one more, Swamiji, as you mentioned, I'm seeing you as a teacher and I'm only getting the processes. Something inside me is blocking. I want to give me the boon so I can see you and worship you as God.
Tathastu.
Thank you, Swamiji.
The level of, see, never the worshipped gets benefit. Worshipper gets the benefit. Now because I am worshipping, Mahadeva is not getting any benefit. My attitude, I am getting benefit. Mahadeva did not tell me to build temple. You understand? My attitude, I am getting benefited. Learning the secret that worshipped is not getting benefit, worshipper is getting the benefit is bhakti.
Swamiji, state side.
Yes.
Another question about tapas and whether it relates to completion or incompletion. There are many stories where the rishis are doing great tapas. The whole world is burning, let's say, and then Brahma or somebody has to come down and tell them to stop. What is the meaning of that?
No, that is totally different. That is done specially for the sake of powers, not completion. So the completion tapas is like a people who want to have enlightenment, like what Markandeya did. That is for completion. And what Prahlada was doing, that is for completion. Those things are all completion. And what these rishis do and the whole world has to come down, it is more like a using the mantras to invoke, agitate all the higher energies. See, I can say, Vishwamitra started in that way, but end he also came to completion. That is why the Gayatri got revealed to him. Shall I? That's what. Actually, I'll do one thing. I have a large volume on Gotras and the knowledge branches. I'll refer and get back to you. Kashyapa I know immediately. Kaushika I do not know which branch. No, Srivatsa is direct Vaishnava's knowledge. Srivatsa is directly from the chest of Vishnu. You are Vaikanasa, Pancharatras. Srivatsa Gotra is directly Vishnu's DNA. I'll have to see and look and tell you.
Sorry, how about Atreya Gotra?
That is what. So all these Gotras, I do not know which branch they are specializing, but I have a literature. The Vedic literature describes. I can get it and put it out in the website. Take it and see.
Swamiji, when a seeker is innocently experimenting a lot of things, is it possible that he accidentally agitates the higher or divine or anything?
Your level and all, don't even bother. You can't do that. Leave it. that. Even for that, specially, you need to be initiated. That science is not practically available now.
That's one thing. Even in those cases, what Balaji was referring.
In those days, the science was available. Now that science was not even available. Don't worry.
Swamiji, I have a pain pattern of arthritis because it is inherited kind of. Will you please help complete it?
I'll help you to complete. That is one. Even if it is inherited, the reason to manifest arthritis is feeling frustrated about life. catch the frustration pattern and complete it. It will be cleared.
Thank you.
Even though I put down that I have a fear sometimes when there is extreme snow and I'm forced to drive, I have no choice. So there's a fear, oh, what if I skid when I'm making a turn? Okay, I actually try to complete, but I still feel it's somewhere residing in the head. So how
I'll
do
do one thing. One, I'll help see to it you are complete. And second, look into the what snow can do to your body or accident can do to your body, and relieve that pain, it will become all right. See, what is the worst can happen if you skid? Vehicle will roll, some fracture here and there, unconscious, whatever you think worst, just relieve that. That will break this fear.
The other thing is the turbulence in the flights, because I have to travel all the time. So once I think we had to drop like, I don't know, 1,000 feet or something. It just had to keep going down. And that is staying in my head, it's not going away.
No, relive the same moment, I'll heal it.
Thank you, Swamiji.
I fly 100,000 miles a year. Only now I stopped flying. Now I am not flying. Otherwise, 100,000 miles a year I fly. What is there?
No, but after you get off, it's okay, but the moment, right?
I
the moment.
understand. There was a time, 100,000 miles air, 100,000 kilometers on road. Every year, my travel. Just now relive that. I'll pull it out.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Swamiji,
Mm.
Deity side. So he helped me find my root pattern. I was in a bathtub when I was little and I fell down, and I took in a bunch
I
of
told
water.
actually in Tamil to him, the root pattern is sitting in lungs, maybe the water got into the system, water suffocation, find out.
I have asthma, so it makes perfect sense.
It'll be healed.
Thank you, Swamiji.
I'll heal it. Now that part will appear in black if I look through the third eye. That where the root pattern is sitting, that will appear black, and that will only be the cause of death. Even if you have other diseases, cause of death will be only that. You can't die in any other way. The root pattern only will be the cause of death. If it is sitting on any parts of the body, sometimes it won't sit on the parts of the body, it will be on relationship and all. Then the cause of death will be anything which is happening. But somebody whose cause of death is sitting, whose root pattern is sitting on the body, they will die only in the root pattern. No way. Even if they get into accident, they will just be left and everyone else will be dying. Even tsunami cannot kill somebody who has a root pattern specifically sitting on the body. That one thing I have seen, never missed. In my experience, tons and tons I have scanned. It never missed.
One question, Swamiji.
Yes, quick.
Deity side. The first Kalpataru which I attended, I remember you saying that when you come to the Guru and get initiated, that the click happens so the astrological chart doesn't have any effect anymore.
Actually, ultimately astrological chart doesn't work if you develop that kind of a surrender with Guru Ma.
Because when I went to the astrologer...
Listen what I am saying, Ma. When you see, the moment astrologer said it can be bad for you, immediately you said, no, Swamiji is there, then it will not have any problem.
No,
I tell you.
He told me, he said that your time is very bad. I said, but nothing bad is happening. And he said, maybe it's your positive attitude.
No. I am telling you, if you have that kind of a surrender, that is enough. The Guru takes care.
Yes.
See, there are some things in the Graha which flows as per the frame. When you surrender to Guru, you are beyond the frame, even though Guru is operating within the frame. You understand? In the see, body is bound by this frame, but what you think as Guru is not bound by this frame.
Yes.
Who is using this body is not bound by the frame, you are catching the fellow who is not bound by the frame, you will not be bound by the frame.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So don't worry. Huh? See what I am saying, what I told her, I was horse riding, doing horse riding. I fell from the horse. So I had a fracture, but did not have the pain. I just stood up. We have the whole thing video recorded. Security camera has captured it. I just stood up. I saw their Sunny standing with the folded hands, saying that I have done my responsibility. And I just said, okay, no problem, don't worry. I did not have any pain. I just went and did whatever need to be done. And we attended, we had the surgery and everything done. That's it. See, this body is within the frame of the physical rules, regulation, but who is using this body is not within that frame. That's why there is no suffering. So if you catch the person who is using this body, you will not have suffering. You will be out of the grahas or laws or anything. You understand? Even though the center which I am using is within the frame, the person who is connecting to that will not be within the frame.
Swami, the last I did with you in Delhi, most of my this completional, I'm okay and I'm happy. So back home, my husband, oh, what happened to your group? So great, and you are always happy, and I feel I'm always in bliss. Never matter what happened around me, it doesn't matter. I am happy, Swami. But now I am 68, going to be 69 in October. But according to my chart, Curta, so having this LRA, last LRA, so in our country they say this is the last. LRA means so you are...
But that is not going to be death for you, don't worry. I'll take care.
Thank you, Swami.
Swamiji, when we look at the picture, your photo or Atma Murti, and connect with it and talk to it, we are actually talking to the person who's operating through this body.
Yes. Who is operating using this body, you are talking to that person. So, whatever you speak, I can download and get back to you with the information. But there is automatic response. When you are talking itself, it is immediately responded. It is not, that information does not automatically reach this body, but if I want, I can look in and immediately download it and get it, pull it out. Because that's a large archive.
So if there's like an intense...
See the cosmic Nityananda, the large archives, what all your prayer goes there and gets attended, all that. That, see for example, this is the cosmic Nityananda. Each thread hanging is the one statue, one deity, one photograph. And one big thread hanging is this body. Anything put in the thread goes to these archives. It's automatically responded. It's going on. This thread can get into these archives and download any information which came through any of the channel and tell you. But the response itself is immediate and automatic. Does not necessarily need to be involved this body immediately.
So Swamiji, so is the Atmalinga the purest form that we can connect with you, or is Atmamurti the same as they say that both the same?
Atmalinga is the purest form. Okay. It is more energy. There is no form involved, you see. So your mind will not be engaged in something.
Okay.
The person who enjoy visuals, for them the form is great. But the Atmamurti is, Atmalinga is uncomparable. That's good. Everyone is complete. I'll give instruction once more. Please listen. Listen carefully. When you sit, the incompletions coming up. It can be agitation, irritation, boredom, tiredness, frustration. Why am I made to sit like this? And feeling like running to bathroom, vomiting, confusion, I don't know why I am sitting and what is the use of this sitting. It can be any of this pattern. Just go back. When this pattern started in me, when I started supporting it. It can be anger, criticism, anything. Look when this started. Catch and start reliving. Start reliving the incident. Once you relive 3-4 times, suddenly it loses power over you. And settle down again. Be relaxed. There is nothing need to be done. If there is nothing coming up, don't try to pick it up. You don't need to pick it up. If it is there, it will come. If it is not coming, celebrate, dance. That's all. Be blissful. That's all. We don't need to worry, Arey, nothing is coming up. I don't know what I am doing is right or wrong. No. As long as it is not haunting, why are you worried about it? Clear? If your son is there in the house, naturally he will be throwing the tantrum. He is not there. Why do you worry?
You're so blocked up that you don't feel. I'm so blocked up.
Then that is boredom. Then catch the boredom pattern. When you started building this boredom about things, so that will break this blocking thing, and like a first blow on the dam.
What if you had to block it to survive?
See, you can never survive by any blocking. Survival can happen only by flow.
As a child even.
Even as a child. Now, see, even if you, as a child, if you have blocked it for survival, now why are you still blocking it? Break it. Let it be flow.
I need help remembering.
I'll help you. Sitting here will itself, because actually I'm going to agitate you guys. Get everything out. Like all the thorns you carry in the flesh will now come out. Yes. You can keep your eyes open, you can keep your eyes closed, you can be seeing anything, anybody, anything is okay other than sleeping. Because anything other than sleeping will agitate you and get the pattern out. Nirvikalpa means not having incompletion. Vikalpa means incompletion. Nirvikalpa means not having incompletion.
Swamiji, we don't consciously dig out, we just sit here and observe.
Sit. You don't even have to observe. Just be sitting casually looking here and there, you will see it is coming out.
Okay.
Because you can't divert yourself also in something, it will come up. Try to see even this LED screen for 3-4 minutes. After that it will come out.
Okay.
I have another question. Is curiosity a pattern? Like you're sitting there, you're thinking, I wonder what's inside me. What I learn will be interesting.
Yes, even that is a pattern. Curiosity in the long run becomes a pattern.